Work, work, work. I need to get this thing done, that goal achieved. I'm running to chase success, and no, I can't waste any time. Hold on. Take a breath. Don't take life too seriously. Don't do important things. Do things that you think are not so important. Do simple things. Bertrand Russell said, if you're beginning to think that what you're doing is very important, you need a holiday. And holiday doesn't mean going on a vacation. Holiday is every day in those 24 hours. You must take a holiday from your seriousness. And this seriousness comes from self-importance. We hold ourselves superior than others. Our actions extremely important and our thought always right. Look at the night sky. It makes you realize how small you are in the larger scheme of events. In our head, the entire universe revolves around us. Nature, on the other hand, has stayed for a long time, but our time is limited. Do you really want to spend it worrying? Tomorrow morning, if you disappear, for sure, the world will not stop. No one will miss you. Maybe a handful of people. They will also forget soon enough. So it doesn't matter what the whole world says. It does not matter how significant your work is. If you constantly remind yourself of this, you'll have no reason to be serious. When we start to take life too seriously, we start to destroy each other. We fight over which city is better than the other. This religion is superior than the other because we are too involved in valuing ourselves over the other. It's no good. All it leads to is hate and maladaptive perfectionism. We're always striving to be perfect, to be the perfect version of ourselves. Our work has to be impeccable. But guess what? Perfect is an illusion. And in this entire process, we forget to smile a little more, travel a little more, do crazy things, learn from our neighbors, forget our sense of humor. We forget to laugh at things and ourselves. So, loosen up, watch more comedy, take more risks, and do things you never thought you'll end up doing. And when life ends and death meets you, you will be content with it. Because it's not what we do in our end moments that define our life. It's the moments that lead up to it.